passionate Toastmaster Faisal. He is IT engineer by profession. He works in Dubai airport, and his passion is fitness. And he says that I want to do so much that I want to give back something to the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands to welcome Toastmaster Faisal to take us through the quiz and listening session. Over to you, Toastmaster Faisal.
Good evening, everybody.
You can unmute yourself, sir. Yeah.
Yes, good evening, everybody. I'm QuizMaster today for this session. My role is basically to improve the listening skill of the audience. And during all the session, I have created some questions from speeches, great speeches. We have around 8 to 9 fantastic speakers today, and all the topics are very well structured. So I would like to ask you the question. The first question is regarding T.M. Midhat. She did the book review, and she have quoted a book, 40 Rules of Love. Is anyone know the author of that book? Anyone knows the name of the author, please? You can unmute and answer me. Yes, please, Team Adnan.
It's a Turkish author, Elf Shafak.
Excellent. Well done, Adnan. This is right answer. Second question I would like to ask Sayyid Ali Kumail. He gave a very good speech today. He narrated that he was born in Pakistan. Which city? Anyone can answer, just unmute and answer it.
Kuhat.
Excellent. Well done. This is the right answer. And then I will like to ask from TM Muhammad Rahim, his speech. He has mentioned that his family want him to become what? Yes, please.
Foreman.
Excellent. Excellent. So thank you very much for participation for this TM quiz program. And thank you very much. Over to the TM.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Faisal. That was wonderful.